Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm currently here in Ivybridge, and I'm standing on a bridge above the railway. Over there, that's the main line heading towards Plymouth, and eventually it crosses over the Railway Bridge into Cornwall and goes all the way down to Penzance. There's also some branch lines to Devon and Cornwall. Cross over the other side. That's the line headed towards up to Tottenham, Tiverton, Taunton, Exton, and the lines will eventually go up to Bristol or Reading. There's connected lines going to either Birmingham, Cardiff, or London. Ivybridge railway station isn't too far from here. It's like a 5-minute walk. Small station with 2 platforms. Oh yeah, here comes the train now. Got the OCH cheese from London Paddington. There's operators that come on this line are mainly Great Western Railway and sometimes cross country. It's current rolling stock that comes along here at the moment are 125 high-speed trains across country. The 255 Castle at a Great Western Railway, the road between Penzance to Central, not so long ago being serviced for. It's the express trains on the pattern, and now the IMO diesel trains with RG numbers 800, 801. There's cross-country supervisors also on this line, and there's also occasional fleet of 150 sprinters into some 158 super sprinters. Okay, that's going to be all of this video. So make sure you like, click subscribe, and leave any comments. Bye for now.